What's up guys, TyTheNaturalista here, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this illusion passion twist crochet. So if you would like to see more, then just keep on watching. So this is how I will be starting off with freshly washed hair. I blew it out because it's much easier to handle, and of course I did apply some heating protectant on my hair just so I'm protecting all of this length because I cannot lose any. Do you hear me? But I am going to get my foundation together, and then once I have that complete, I will be back to show you what that looks like. Okay, so guys, this is the flat twist pattern. So these are the singles that I did up front, and I just want to let you guys know that I did not use a comb except for this front part. So this hair is freaking gorgeous. I love this hair. I don't think I've seen the crochet hair with the ends like this. See how it's so skinny and it looks so natural? They actually come all the way down and twist it. I really love that. And this hair is so soft and bouncy. It's shiny. Like, this hair is bomb. I cannot wait to install these. You do get 12 twists per ring, and it's 8-pack in the whole package. I will link that down below, and let's get started. For the back of my hair, I'm just doing a basic crochet, which is basically inserting the crochet needle into the flat twist, attaching the hair, closing the latch, pulling that through the flat twist. Then you're going to unhook it and open up your loop of the crochet hair. And then you're going to take the end, the very end of your crochet hair, and insert it through the hole. And then you're going to push down on that knot that you just created, and that's going to tighten the actual crochet itself. And therefore, it won't be loose and it'll be nice and tight. And that's what I'm going to do throughout all of my head in the back for the back part. And then I will slide back in once I have that completed. Okay, so that was the back, and it looks pretty good, right? Looks nice and full. You can't even tell that's a crochet. So now I have started on the front just because I didn't want to make it a super long video, and I have did my singles here, and I left 4 so we can do those together. Okay, so for the front, we're going to insert the crochet needle into the part. Then we're going to attach the hair to the hook, close the latch, pull it through the part, and then we're going to open up the hole. And then we're going to take the end of the twist and take our twist both through the hole. And then you're going to pull each twist apart so that you are tightening the knot so that it's secure and it's not going to go anywhere. Then you're going to basically, I would say if your hair is a nice length, then take the crochet needle halfway of your twist. So take it the half height of your twist and then insert your crochet needle into the false twist. And then make your way up that twist to the top, and then make sure wherever your needle appears at the top, make sure it's facing where your natural hair actually lays, because that way it's going to cover it and it's not going to be noticeable. So then we're going to hook the end part of your twist to the hook like this. Okay, let me open it up. Then close the latch. You don't want to do it here because your twist won't go anywhere. You have to leave room so this can scoot down inside of the twist like this. See how I got that to pull through? Then you pull your hair out like that, push this up, and then you're going to just pull your twist down so it starts to cover up some of that twist. Alright, so I still have all of this left, so I'm going to start right here and work my way back up. And you want to try to stay in the middle of the twist while you are traveling back up to connect to your twist. Almost there. And make sure that the hook is facing the same side as the twist. and then we're going to hook the very end again like we did. Close the latch. Make sure you hold the latch so that it doesn't come undone, and then scoop the hair up while you have the latch still closed. That way the hair doesn't come unattached from the hook, because then you got to start all the way over. And boom, there's the twist. And then if you want to just tighten your twist back up, just twist it back the direction that it's twisted, and then it'd be nice and sleek like this. Okay, so let's get to the last 3. Well, that is all I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed the content. Thank you so much for watching. You guys stay blessed, stay safe, and stay grateful. And of course, I will catch you guys on the next video.